No way! Oh my god!
Yes. He swallowed it. Beautiful red grouper.
What were you using?
I was using here's a knocker rig right here on a cut mullet.
Alright.
Awesome fish.
Talking all that shit. Come on.
No,
It's a catfish?
no, it's not. Dude, Lewis, that's my biggest snook.
Oh my god.
Lewis, no, somebody go.
Get it, Louis, get it. Wow.
Look at this. I told you.
Wow, how big is that?
Morning. Brush my teeth
We
now.
look like crazy people.
Last night we set up the tent. Then we went fishing. We got back. It was almost like 4 in the morning. Set up like poop.
This is our mangrove snapper from last night.
That looks really good. Great.
Caught a little one.
Oh, dude, that's a,
Just leave it.
Twitching it.
I wouldn't twitch it.
he's a food, Brian.
Oh,
Yeah, let him eat him. Let him eat it.
Let him eat it. Just let him eat it.
Let him eat it.
Just open the bail. No, you got him. You got him.
You
You got him.
Oh my God. Relax, relax.
Oh, it's on his gill plate. It's on his gill plate.
No, it's not even hooked. It's not even hooked. Oh, I just don't know. Fuck.
guys.
Damn.
It's not bad.
A little short too.
Yeah, here, let me grab him. He's a good one too. Watch out, Lewis.
Watch out, babe. Yeah, you're good, you're good.
Hey, he's not bad at all.
Oh my god.
He's not bad.
Not bad at all.
I don't wanna touch the line. Wow, Lewis. Wow. Oh man, come on. Play him easy, Lewis. He's not bad at all.
Oh, he's nice.
Ah, stop. I don't wanna.
Oh, yeah, fish grip him. Fish grip him.
Open.
Gonna shake if he shakes. Just pitch right there. Pitch right there.
Nice, dude.
Did it record?
Nice.
Yeah.